house of sausage. I got my barbecue shoes on.
Smoker ready. We're going to try and do this around 300, 350 degrees. This isn't probably the best smoker for it, but I needed something with some real estate. We got some unsalted peanuts. As you can see underneath, I perforated some holes. Basically unsalted. You don't want salted peanuts because you're going to be adding salt to this. So we don't want it to be too salty. We want it to be just right. The rub that we are using today, Barbecue Pit Boys Maple. This is good stuff. I like this stuff. Close it up. And we're going to add some hickory. I am using lump charcoal today because I wanted to give a little more heat. I find that there should be enough. I find that the lump charcoal gives like a little bit of a hotter of a cook. We're not going to do this for a long time, so we want to get it up nice and hot. We're going to check these like every 15 minutes because we don't want them to burn, because if they burn, it's going to taste horrible. So we'll see you in a little bit. All right, these have been on for about 10 minutes. You can see they're starting to get a little toasty. You can see the skins are coming off a little bit. We're going to actually leave these skins on. Same way like I do with potatoes. I leave the skins on because it's got nutrition. It's got value and flavor. So it might make it a little bit browner than normal, but I think it's going to be good. Cheers. To give you a heads up why we call this Rolling Acres. It is beautiful in the fall. Yeah, we're still rolling. Still rolling. It's getting there. It's getting there. Just gotta keep moving them around. Cool. All right, we've got these peanuts. They've been roasting for about a half an hour at around 300, 350 degrees. If these were not roasted, you're looking at an hour to 2 hours of roasting. So you got a nice cherry wood. I actually threw a little bit of pecan in there too. So now we're gonna start making the peanut butter. See, we got them pretty chopped up. These got a long way to go. So I'm going to add a teaspoon or tablespoon of Barbecue Pit Boys Maple Rub. Okay. So yeah. All right, so we're going to let this go at medium. This is going to take a while. Okay, we're getting to the point where it's starting to clump, so we're going to break it down on the side. All right. Once again on medium, we're going to let it rip. It's getting there. It's starting to cake up. You see it? So depending on how thick or crunchy you want it, depends on how long you blend it. I think we got a few more minutes, but we're getting there. Let's scrape the sides. Make sure we get a nice all that. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Okay, for the very last part of this, I hit it with some Vermont maple syrup. Not a lot, just a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Time to break into this, huh? All right, so we got a fresh sourdough bread here. This is good stuff. I don't know about you guys, I like the uncut. Yeah, handy dandy. Scooper. Oh yeah. Look at that peanut butter, came out real nice, huh? That is good. Not too salty. Got a little sweetness to it. Definitely tell that this is in there. This is a win. All right. Oh, no.